Hi beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to wear any earrings you love without earring allergies. If this is you, please keep watching. I will fix the problem. Okay, these are what we need. You can purchase them easily from eBay or Amazon. Clear plastic earring studs. And look at the price. Very cheap. I love earrings from Shein, so many different designs and very affordable price. No more gold earrings only. I used to have the worst earring allergies, but not anymore. It's not just about the price, but it's just all the different designs and it is so much fun to choose from. I love white earrings. What about you? And don't forget to sanitize your earrings too. Thank you for watching. 감사합니다. Be more beautiful.